you want to use the lug nut, and sometimes you don't. And a lot of times you can do that to help it secure the screw a little extra tight into the wood or metal or whatever it is you're screwing into. So the lug nut can come in handy, but you don't always have to necessarily use it. So now we have this type of handle, which is good for really big grips, right? Because it's really big and thick, or we have just a traditional handle. And this works just the same way. You have the opening there, and you can put that right inside. Or you can use the Phillips. Now, you're probably wondering, what kind of a screw does the Phillips use? Great question. And I will show you. We're going to find one of our... Let's see, that's not one. It looks like I don't have one for the Phillips, but I'll have to find one later and we can come back to that one. But the next one I want to show you is a really cool adapter. And this handy dandy little thing fits inside. Alrighty, so now we're going to our next tool. This is the socket wrench. And this one is actually one of the coolest things you will ever see. Check this out. You ready? Alright, so it has this little twisty thing on the top, right? Now, what you do is this opening in here, you put this small side, see the square? Inside of there, right? Now check this out. This is really, really, really cool. Let's see if we can find out which one it fits. There, this one, that's the one. So if you don't have a screwdriver, like the flathead, right? If you don't have one of these, and you're figuring out, well, how can I get this screw to be screwed into the piece of wood I need? Well, that's where this comes in handy. You see that shape that looks like a stop sign? There is the screw, and it fits right inside. And you simply just screw that into whatever it is you need to screw. Right. And it goes back and forth, and the socket wrench tightens it or loosens it. So depending on which way you turn it, you can tighten it or you can loosen it. And that neat little adapter fits right inside of there. That's pretty cool, huh? It comes off, and then you can add different types of attachments to this. So this one is really, really, really cool. And our next one, adjustable wrench, bright green, super power. This one adjusts by just simply moving this neat little turnstile here. And by loosening it or tightening it, depends upon what way you want to go with it. And you can also make this tight and loose. See that opening up there? And then that way you can take that and you can put it around the screw itself and then tighten it. And then from there, you can begin to turn it. And again, tighten it or you can loosen it, whichever way you gotta go. That's the adjustable wrench. Alright, so now we go to the pliers. These are some of my most favorite ones because these, you can pretty much undo any type of screw or even a nail with the pliers. But there's two different types. We've got what they call the needle nose, which is the thin, narrow one, and then the traditional pliers. See, this doesn't have a thin tip to it. This one is great if you have to reach in and get little tiny nails or little screws that are really small on the tip. You can grab them and you can pull them out. Or you can use the adjustable wrench here as well. And the reason why is because if you see those opening right there, that allows you to fit it to any size screw or lug nut. You squeeze on it and then you can turn it. Very cool and very practical. You can use this for all kinds of really cool stuff. Now let's see, the next thing we have, everyone loves the power drill. This one is really cool because this pulls the trigger back. This one is not an actual real one, of course, but the real one is you pull this little trigger back and the drill turns and spins around. And you can loosen and tighten up different types of screws or even bolts and lug nuts and things with the drill. And this one is electric powered. Most of them are battery operated, but some of them have cords. Power drill, that one's one of the most fun ones. And this really odd looking thing. Can you take a guess at what this does? Take a guess. Now I can give you some hints. It's adjustable. See the numbers moving? That's pretty cool. See those? See the numbers moving? When you move this up and down, this helps to take measurements. That's right, it actually measures. There you go, you can see it. Watch it move. That's pretty awesome, huh? As you move, it takes measurements. So let's say we wanted to measure this handle, and we're trying to figure out how wide is that. You put it inside here, and you adjust this. Move it up and down until you get it right on the area you want. And then you look at the measurement, and it tells you that's almost inside. Looks good. Strawberries are one of my favorites. Okay, guys, next up we've got, what do you think it is? You can pop it. You make cereal out of it. You can make an oil from it. It's corn. You're right, corn. And what color is the corn? Yellow. You guys are exactly right. Now, we have two saws. Let's see, which one do you want to use? Let's use the yellow saw to cut the yellow corn. All right. Oh, don't you get away. Cut it right in half. Remember, corn, you can make popcorn, corn oil. You can make cereal from corn. All kinds of really cool stuff. Let's take a look at our next one. Alrighty, so we have another one. This is a different strawberry. But it is a strawberry, right? But it looks different from our other. Take a look at our other one. Yeah? See, I like this one. This looks more realistic. Now, what should we do with this one? Wait a minute. I've got an idea. Oh, we should use our power axe. Remember the axe? We could chop it. Let's do it. All right. Awesome. Did you see that? Oh, I think we made a dent in our board. Uh-oh. That just chopped that strawberry completely in half. Strawberries. What color are they, guys? Again, they're red. Very good. Let's keep going. We got a banana. All right, guys, we're back with the banana. Now, what color is the banana? It's yellow. You guys are right. It is yellow. Now, we have, let's see, guys, we've got a lot to choose from. Hold on. Hold on. We've got our axe, our saw, our other saw, or our knife. Which one should we use to cut the banana? This one? Yeah, this one here? Yeah, I know. You guys like that one. This is pretty cool. Let's use the axe. Here we go. Whoa! And I think we made another dent. Oops. There it is. We chopped it in half. Now we have two pieces of banana. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this really cool episode about fruits and vegetables. And we used our saws from our toy tool sets. Next video, you gotta check it out because we are gonna cut into some more of these awesome fruits and veggies. Remember, if you like our videos, give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you gotta do. You gotta subscribe. Remember though, if you ever work with tools, remember to use your goggles. Protect your eyes. You don't want anything to happen to your eyes. On the next video, we are gonna use our hammer to start breaking up some of these really cool stuff. Bye, guys! Hey, guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. Today, we are going to learn our fruits and vegetables, and we're going to cut into these. It's going to be a lot of fun, so let's take a look at which fruits these are. So which one is this one? Watermelon. And watermelon is the color green. Guys are right. Let's cut into it, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use that. We're just going to use our saw. Let's cut into it. Look at that. Watermelon. Look at that. Looks good enough to eat. That it does. Next up, we have an apple. That's right. And what color is the apple? It's the color red. You guys are right. Let's cut into it with our saw. I love using the saw. Wow, it's so easy to use the saw. This is okay, but this is much more fun. That's right, look at that apple. Boy, these are good enough to eat. Alright, and what do we have next? These are grapes. That's right. And what color are grapes? Purple. Exactly. Now we've got our other saw. Let's take this one and see what we can do. Whoa, that was cool. Cut those grapes right in half. Next up, we have, what do you think it is? It's an orange. You guys are right. And what color is an orange? Well, it's orange. You're right. The same name is the same color. Now, which one should we use? This saw or this saw? Let's go with this one. All right, here we go. Let's put it sideways. Oh, there it goes. Let's take a look inside. That looks good enough to eat. Pretty tasty looking. Okay, our next one. It looks delicious, and you know what this one is. Oops, almost dropped it. It's a strawberry. You're right. And now remember, strawberries are the color, color red. Strawberries are red. Red. All right, so let's use the red saw to cut the red strawberries. Great idea, guys. All right. Let's take a look inside. Looks good.